Before the bad news, good news. I've been able to get myself a beautiful lit light and I'm super excited. This didn't cost me so much. Yes, I was able to afford it just to invest in my video creation. Guys, then back to the bad news. You know this thing that happens to YouTuber beginners now, that initial vibe. Oh, you are starting a YouTube channel, and the next thing is I want to be monetized. The next thing is that when you monetize, you start earning, you money will be flowing, will be coming left, right, and center. The question is, am I uploading videos? Yes. Am I showing up consistently? Yes. So why are you not getting the paycheck? That is a reality check. So I'm going to show you honestly how much I'm able to make within these 3 months. We struggled. we fought. We fought. 9th of this month will be making me 3 months into monetization. If you are in this category, you are yet to be monetized. You are about to hit your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You are a YouTuber beginner. You're about to start your YouTube journey. Come closer. Let me tell you what they have not said enough. And of course, before you get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That is the only criteria you need. But to get the paycheck, you need consistent views on your videos. So that is, you getting monetized could be easy. You could buy watch hours, buy subscribers, but you can't buy views. I mean, consistent views that will get you the $100 paycheck. Now, getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is not even hard anymore. But getting your first paycheck is what is the hardest. That is for those of us that uses live streams to monetize our channel. Now, I'm not saying using live streams is a bad idea. No, 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 no. I've seen a lot of people who got lucky. I will call it lucky, but let's say luck. Do you believe in luck? Guys, tell me, do you believe in luck? I believe in luck too. That's the reason why I use the word luck. So there are a lot of people that went live and their first live stream was able to give them 4,000 watch hours, and the next upload took off, like went viral, and that is. But there are a lot of us that, like people like us, you know, we struggled. we fought, we fought. Watch hours are not coming. 1,000 subscribers wasn't even the issue. The issue was the watch hours. So watch hours wasn't coming, but we had to work really hard. Like I had to put in work, such that during my life, one of the live streams, I did a lot of crazy things just to get attention of people. But if I had known, yes, maybe if I was told, like, this thing that happens to YouTuber beginners now, that initial vibe. Oh, you are starting a YouTube channel, and the next thing is I want to be monetized. The next thing is that when you monetize, you start earning, money will be flowing, will be coming left, right, and center. You feel like they are all enjoying. Well, if you are building the right way, you definitely make money on YouTube. But if you're using shortcuts to get your account monetized, you will struggle a bit before you're able to break through. But is there any hope? Watch this video to the end. So I'm going to show you honestly how much I'm able to make within these 3 months. And I'm not sharing this to ridicule anything, or I'm not showing this to make you feel like it's not worth it. I'm not showing you this to make you feel discouraged, but rather I'm showing you this to encourage you, to also tell you what you should do if you don't want to make the mistakes that some of us made. So guys, so that is the reality. I mean, it's not been easy. A lot of people got lucky after monetization. That same month, they got their first paycheck. A lot of people, it took them 3 months, a lot of them 6 months, a lot of them 1 year, and all of that. So I already told myself that, man, if it's not coming immediately, I don't mind waiting to the end of the year. I don't mind waiting. Maybe that would serve as my house rent. That will be my house rent. Who knows? So maybe YouTube is saving it for me. But hey, This is what I want to tell you. To be very honest with you, growing on YouTube is not easy. Getting monetized is not easy. In fact, there is no platform that is easy to grow on. So what I would say is, if you are yet to get there, please take your time and build your account. Oh my goodness. Nobody told me that when you are monetized, you will have to work times 10 of what you were doing before. Nobody told me that. I was playing when I wasn't even, in fact, when I wasn't monetized was even the time I would have used to experiment a lot of things. Meaning that when I'm monetized, I should even know what I am doing to bring in the views. Guys, when you are monetized, even if you want to use tricks to get your watch hours, even if you want to use tricks to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, when you finally receive that email, congratulations, you finally accepted into the YouTube partnership program. That is the beginning of the real journey. You see, if you were using the wrong way to do all of these things, that's when your eyes will be clear. You will now realize that to have views on your channel, on your videos, you know how hard it is. Into our YouTube studio. Let me show you around. Oh my god. Our analytics of our YouTube studio and our analytics. So this is analytics, okay? So I'm gonna show us the revenue. So guys, this is crazy. So this is the month of January. That was on the 9th of January. That's when I monetized. So for the how many days, this is how much I was able to earn, $22. Then on February I got $4. Right. So then March which is last month, I got $17. Okay, I honestly I don't know. This is how much I've been able to raise for the past 3 days or 3 months that I got monetized on YouTube. So you go ahead and tell me. I mean, I'm showing you my entire dashboard. No need to hide anything because I mean, there's no point hiding it. All right. So tell me, let's calculate this in naira, my own currency. You already know how much that is. So this is how much I've made in the 3 months of my monetization. So let me know what you think about this. Do you think I'll be able to hit the threshold before the end of the year? Let me know. And honestly speaking, it's not really about the niche. It's about the quality of your content. That's what advertisers are paying. All right, so guys, let me know what you think about this. This is just what I wanted to show you. So in my next video, I'm going to tell you something that you all needs to hear. Okay, so if I'm being genuine here, okay, no need to find maybe sugarcoat anything or trying to make it look like it is what it is when it is not what it is. So guys, let's keep creating, let's keep trusting the process. All what I'm asking of is, please, whenever you see ads on my videos, help me and allow you to stay to the end. Okay, this is how you enable me to meet up with my threshold. Okay, so with you and me, we'll be able to meet up this. So thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video, and see you in the next one.